What's up, guys? Well, we're looking in my trunk. The reason being is I did something that I have not done in a very, very long time. And shame on me, because today I don't have a knife on me. The very short version of the story is I got distracted as I was going out the door and I forgot to grab some of my EDC stuff. So I put my pocket organizer in the pocket. All right, first thing I did. And then I got distracted with something around the house. Grabbed my wallet, put my bracelet on, put my watch on, all right, and forgot my neck knife and my main folder. Now I just happened to redo my keys, so I don't have a knife on the keys either. So I'm in my trunk, my emergency bag, because we have an emergency. And I happen to know that I carry at least a multi-tool in here. I do. I have two knives. I have a cheap multi-tool. I have a Leatherman, I think that's the Wingman. I do have a Victorinox in there. And this is what I was looking for. The trusty backup blade. Pretty beat up. Horribly reground by someone. Got this in a trade many years ago. But this is the Spyderco Delica. So, this is also today's new EDC knife. I can't believe, I mean, it's literally been, 20 plus years. Well, it's not like I've never done this before, but I can literally probably count on one hand how many times I've gone knifeless in the last 20 years. So absolutely crazy, but this is why I have a bag like this for just such an occasion. I actually have a couple different knife options. I got a fixed blade here. I actually have two fixed blades. And I also have the little knife I carry in the car dangling from the rearview mirror. But this is makes the most sense. So this is going right in the pocket. All right. This will be today's EDC. God, I can't believe that. And you know what's really funny too is I'm at the mall because I picked up some custom Cutlerylover hats, not for sale but just for me. Anyway, just a crazy moment. I was knifeless for a couple hours today. Holy moly, that felt weird. It's kind of like when I go places I can't have my gun with me. It always feels really weird not to have it. Well, knives are even worse. So that's all just a quick admittance to making a mistake. We all do it, and I'm just talking about it. But that won't happen again anytime soon. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Take care.